How to fix login approval needed on Facebook problem. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Now whenever you're trying to log into your Facebook account and you have say the two-factor authentication, after that it will ask you to login approval needed. So you have to approval your login. So after you do that, you'll have this interface and it says login approval needed. Here you have to choose how you can confirm that's your account. So what you can do is simply tap on continue. And after you do that, you'll have various options such as to approve your login and another phone or computer, or get a code sent to your email, or identify your recent comments. So from among these methods, you can choose anyone, then tap on continue. So on the next page, a verification code will be sent to your email. You have to enter that 8-digit verification code, check your email, and then type in the code and verify your email. But still, if you are having trouble with this login approval and you can't approve the login, here is what you can do. So go back to your device settings and from there, search for apps. Now search for Facebook by tapping on see all apps, then navigate to Facebook. Once you find it out, tap on it. That's going to take you to app info page of the Facebook. Now from here, you have to change few settings. So first of all, tap on permissions, and here make sure that you have allowed all the permissions on Facebook. If it's not allowed, tap on it and then tap on allow. Now once you're done with that, go back and from here tap on storage and cache. Then tap on clear cache. Sometime clearing the cache on your device will remove all the junk file or any cache or any glitches of the application from your device, which might help you to solve the problem. After that, tap on this clear storage and then tap on OK. This app's data, including files and settings, will be permanently deleted from your device. So you can simply tap on OK. And after you do that, go back, then log into your Facebook account, and again you will land on this login approval needed page, and from here tap on continue, and on the next page again repeat the same step. You can simply get a code sent to your email, and after that type in the 8-digit verification code, and once you do that, your problem will be solved. And that's how you can fix login approval needed in Facebook problem. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.